Hi everyone, welcome back to Julie Likes Beauty. I'm Julie. I did want to talk to you about a product that I ordered not too long ago, and I've been meaning to do a video on it. So this company is owned by Julia George. This is her right here. And the co-owner of the company is Marsha Kitchens. And Marsha actually contacted me. I have to speak about this company because the customer service was shocking, actually. It was really impressive. It was suggested to me by a subscriber that I look into this company because my hair is always in my way when I'm doing my makeup, and I really was intrigued because I love hairbands, but I never wear them because they're really, really tight on my head. They're tight here. It doesn't really make my hair look good, and it gives me a headache. So I was really interested in this because I believe it came about, let me just look. I don't know if you're any different, but for me, I love the way my hair looks when it's pulled back with sunglasses. So this idea is to get that same type of effect, only with a hairband. Julia George says, SqHairbands have been in the making for a long time in my head and on my head. As you know, millions of women have been wearing modified SqHairbands in their hair for years. They just look a little different, and they are called glasses and sunglasses. Yes, we all know that our hair looks so much better pulled back loosely rather than with a traditional uncomfortable headband, which makes hair often look like it's in a vice. So there's a whole bio here. Fast forward to a decade and thank the Lord for better curly hair products, hot rollers, Thankfully, I soon stumbled upon the use of sunglasses to hold my hair back. The best friend of 35 years, Marsha Kitchens, has joined me. So Marsha, I placed an order. There are two different sizes. There might even be three different sizes, but the two that I were looking at was the one that they said would fit most heads and hair. And I was a little afraid of that because I do get severe headaches if I have the pressure back behind my ears. So I ordered the number 2, the one that's bigger, and said to be better for thicker hair or larger heads. So just to be safe, I ordered the 2. So Marsha called me, I think within a day, and said that she suggested the number 1 that fits most heads and most hairstyles, and she cared enough to call to make sure that I was going to get the right one. I was very impressed. She could have just let me order the number 2 and be done with it and not worry whether I was going to be happy or not, but she did care, and she called. And I don't know where they're located. She had a really cute accent, I know that. So probably says in her bio. I'm not going to go through it all. So anyway, I did tell her I was going to review these, and I absolutely love them. I have been wearing them. I believe they're not marked. This one says 1 BKP, and it is the smaller shape out of the 2. So if you can see that one's wider than this one. She was right. I do find that the number 1 feels better on my head, but the number 2 is fine as well. Yeah, the number 2, it's just a little thicker right here. So if you have a thicker, curlier style of hair, this one might be better for you. But honestly, I don't feel they fit much different. That's my only thing, as I wish it was marked, because I hope I'm telling you the right thing. Anyway, you could probably get a hold of Marsha. That's how accessible she was. And yeah, I was really impressed with that. When I wear it, I don't find that it gives any type of headache. There's not too much pressure behind my ear at all. It does give that looser fit. I can wear it like this, which I think is quite nice, especially if you have a little bit of a bigger boof in the back. I have worn this with my hair up in a ponytail. I like it specifically with my hair down. So I will just stick it in like this, and then this I might just tease the back crown so that it gives me that little bit of a boof that I want with, I should actually zoom you out. Yeah, that's a little bit better so you can see. Sorry about that. Anyway, I love the look. I wore this the other day when I was out. It was very comfortable. I wore it all day. I did not get a headache. I didn't feel like it was tight. When I took the band off, I didn't have a mark of where the band was. Didn't squish my hair down or leave any kind of demarcation line in it. So I love that. I love it. So I had to share this with you. I looked back, I cannot find my subscriber who suggested this, and I'm so sorry because I wanted to give you a shout out, and I'm so grateful that you suggested these hairbands. I will leave all the information of where you can buy this. These, by the way, are flexible right here, kind of like sunglasses are, so I don't find, maybe that's why it doesn't give me a headache, because it's very flexible there and it doesn't put too much pressure on. Anyway, I think this one is my favorite, so I'm so sorry that I can't tell you which one that is. This is A Black-P. I'll put everything in the description box below so that you can contact them directly, but I definitely like the thinner band better than the thicker band. Everybody tells me I look like Olivia Newton-John. I feel like this is kind of embracing her style a little bit. Anyway, that's it. This is going to be a very short video, but I wanted to share this with you. I just think it's a really good find. They do have different styles as well. They have leopard print. They have all different, actually there's one that I would like to have, and it has rhinestones, I believe, in here, and I'm kind of flashy, so that would be nice too. That's it for me. I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe before you leave, and more videos are to come. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.